Go.
Hi, I'm Marion Cavali. I'm an EEM advanced practitioner, and today we're going to be working with Cheerio. I'm going to do the daily energy routine with Cheerio. If you're not familiar with horses, want to make sure that you use safety as your number one. Introduce yourself to your horse. Cheerio knows me from before, so he and I are well acquainted. So the first thing I do is come to their back, center and ground myself, and tune into the horse and see what the horse needs for the moment. And as this is just really a demonstration video, I'll probably move a lot quicker than I would normally, unless he tells me he needs extra work. After I've centered and ground myself, I try to stay in contact with the horse and come up to the pole, the head. And then I'm going to do our spinal flush all down his neck. And don't forget that horses' spines drop down and come back up. And so we're following his spine, doing our flush, and moving up into the sacral, iliosacral crest and off the tail. Again, I will repeat this and have him drop his head. Paying attention that this isn't causing any discomfort, and we let him move if he needs to move. And there's some licking and chewing. And normally I go much slower and let all of them adjust each time. I also like to work the Ming Man a little here. Do a little counterclockwise on the Ming Man. And a little clockwise. And make sure the Ming Man is perfectly in alignment with happiness. Happy horse is fun to ride. And now I'm just going to do a little rocking with him. Setting all that back into motion. Freeing up everything along his neck. And a lot of horses don't like this, so you have to be prepared for that and start rocking slower. I've started on the left side because it's the receiving side. And rocking hips. Now we do some figure eights. And I do them horizontally and laterally. So up and down. Everything off, nice long sweeps on both sides of the body. For demonstration today, I'm staying on the same side. And now I'm going to come up to his crown here, and I'm going to open up his little crown. Nice little massage in here for him. Your horse must be able to take his ears being touched. Most horses like this. And then we're going to work on some neurolymphatics from his eyes, and the lymph nodes down to his chest area. And draining out all that needs to be drained out with a little firm pressure. Down into his sternum. And then I will do his ribs. On both sides of the body. And I'll work on some valves that are down here, our Houston and ileocecal valves. And then I'm going to come up to his head. Just because he asked for that extra clearance. And I'm going to hold his head and his heart. And that's it. Very quick 5-minute procedure that I sped up that you can do before you ride. Have a great day.